In today's video, let me show you how to fix X app crashing. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. If your X app is constantly crashing, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can do in this situation is try to clear out the app cache. So just tap and hold the app of X. If you're using an Android device, head over to the eye icon. If you're on an iOS device, you just need to head over to your iPhone storage and then offload the application. Now within the settings page, head over to storage and then simply tap on the clear cache as well as clear all data. What this will do is delete any sort of corrupted files which might be causing the issue and will also log you out of your account. So once you complete this step, try to log in back to your account and try to see if the issue is now solved. If the issue still persists, then what you can try out in this situation is try to reinstall the application of X onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue will also be fixed. While you're at it, what you can also try out is try to restart your device. Sometimes your phone has glitches, and once you restart your phone, those glitches should also be now fixed. So these are the few things that you can try out in order to fix the X app crashing. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.